From the heart of ancient sands rises a kingdom that never bowed.
Before the chariot, Egypt needed a weapon that could outrun war itself.
Before history learned to run, Egypt learned to strike.
From a simple idea came a machine that changed history.
They looked to the desert, to the power of horses and sand.
Light, fast, and deadly. The frame had to be perfect.
Hold it steady.
I am trying. Get the clamp now.
It is secure.
Leather turned the wheel into a weapon of unstoppable motion.
Ready? Pull!
Hold it steady. Now the tool. The first prototype roared across the desert with divine speed.
Only the strongest horses were chosen to carry kings to war.
It was not just a vehicle. It was a moving battlefield. 2 men, 1 chariot. Perfect coordination meant survival. And soon, an entire army rose upon wheels.
Go forward for Egypt! Charge!
For Egypt! For glory!
Speed became the sharpest blade Egypt ever forged.
With the chariot, Egypt ruled the desert with unstoppable force.
The chariot became more than a weapon. It became Egypt's legacy.
I am Hatshepsut. Join my legacy. Press subscribe.
The sands will speak again until our next journey. This is Kingdom of Kemet.